What's up guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Regina. Kind of getting into the merch line of my business. These are my hats. These are Rep Your Sets hats that I designed, and I thought it would be really cool to show you guys how I make it. I got my business cards as well, and these were easily printed. I make these into tags, so we have a little miniature hole for tags, which is really cute. You gotta have that for your business. That's number one. If you're gonna sell hats, you have to have, you know, something to go with it. Like, it just can't be just a hat you ship in a little plastic bag. It needs to be did up. It needs to look nice. I copped me this. I designed this myself. Right here, I designed this myself. The Rep Your Sets. I also went in here and made a game sheet on, I will put it right here. This was pretty much easy to do. I didn't have to do anything besides really just make sure it wasn't overlapping. Set my machine on 350. As you can see, it's rising. Right. What I do is take my game sheet like such, and I'll just pretty much cut it. And I like to kind of cut it as close as possible. So I basically place it. I kind of use like my eye to guide, honestly. I use my eye. Now, just like that. I kind of just put it on here because it's on 335 right now. It's best to leave a little bit of room so you kind of can tell where you're peeling. So for instance, you want to peel slowly because you don't want to mess it up, just in case some of it is not fully. It's like this. As you can see, voila. I peeled the film off. And my hat back on the thing. I put my hat like this, and I like to kind of press it. I got my pins I'm gonna use. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and put this pin on the side. And this is what I like, y'all. Not everybody is gonna like all of these decorations, but they have options and it's easy to take it off. So what I do is I use my pin right here. I kind of already know the exact placements. Let me take this out first. I kind of know the exact placements of where I want things, but I also kind of wing it sometimes too when I place the smaller charms, but I kind of know exactly where I want the bigger ones to go. And so this one is next. I'm going to go ahead and put this one in here as well. That's really cute. Go ahead and put this up here. He's going directly under here. Honestly, that's kind of what I'm going for. Now that I'm done with that, with the creative part, now I just have to add my tags. So I got this tag gun from Hobby Lobby, y'all. It comes with a safety thing. I always want to put this on, and it also comes with a lot of tags. You can get this from Hobby Lobby as well, and it comes with a bunch of these as well. So I go ahead and place my thing inside of here, and I put the item that I want in here, and I literally tag it. As you can see, it is cute. And then I go ahead and put this back in here. Just like such. And it is ready to go. Just like that. Shop represents. Bye y'all.